Welcome back to Tugger TV. I know I'm gonna post a while now. I'm telling the truth. I've been an idle. Yeah, been an idle a bit. Yeah, but I'm back here now. Yeah, I'm want to continue support more. Big up the Lions fans them. Been a wait for me drop a new movie. Big up the people them and keep them post notification bell on said way. You see me? Me there see me, I'm not gone. You see me? I'm back here now and I want to know watch the story to the end. Tell me, because it's a really touching story, so tell me how I'm doing another one. And comment, no honest comment down below as usual as I say. Big up on yourself, talk us to that.
Dance I go last night. It by the backside. I'm going with myself as a girl.
Every night today a party. You not plan for change?
What for change?
You can't party, so you're not even at work. So your parties more than where you get money.
When we get money?
Because you just stay a party and not
man
work.
me no need for work.
And that's the next thing too. You're not afraid that AIDS out there hard, you know?
It's not here right now.
Yeah, you're not give right now. And a good you be good living and use protection.
No about me on the part there. And my business that the part there.
Me realize you need to tap, you need to change, you need to do better. Because this now going away.
You're like you're perfect.
Me not perfect, but me I do better than you. One man me have.
That's your business. One man now rule nowadays. You have to have
You
10
soon
man.
know. You soon catch belly and know why that is.
No worry about that. Me never stop take my pill them. By the way, how you sure say you alone your man have? When?
Well, all if I know me want him have, we are use protection.
Oh,
so
right.
any girl him a forgot there, he must know where he want
good
catch.
as all under one girl cause she's right now. You see
Well,
them
that's a
start
fiend
chat
business.
to
That's up to him. But me know what me I do and me know so me protected. You not protect yourself, you not do nothing.
So you have one man and where your man use protection for?
Because me can't trust nobody in a so time around.
It no make no sense you're there with demanding if I can't trust him.
What
that
you mean?
No make no sense.
Me there with him, yes, but me not know what him I do, me not know him there now. So me can say, oh, him there church. Me can go say him there church. No.
I don't
me not
know.
swear for no man.
Your business if I want to swear for man, me know. I have one heap of them and I'm not swear for none of them.
That me realize you have one heap of them and you're running it hard. You behave like you're a taxi or you're a chichi bus.
You know bus them we got mobile? Me I one of them one day.
Apparently.
Hot breath.
Look here. You need to stop the way you do. I'm serious now. You need to stop it. You need to behave better.
That's what Yamua.
Me your sister.
How that affect me?
On
my life, me a big woman, me live my life how I live it.
But guess you live your life
you know, count on mommy for me, you know. For some mommy now are you. Me not we don't know.
You need to stop. Because if you don't stop, you'll get what you look for. You soon know.
Thank you, girl.
What?
Me there here.
You good?
There's so.
I am my sister. Me there talk to you, but she not here at all. She not here. No matter what I say to her, she not here at all. I'm tired to talk to her. I hope you not do like she, you know.
So I don't like she.
So you rub for your nose, so.
Nothing.
You go on here, so how much subject you get there?
Girl, I'm not get no subject. Maybe if my dad listen to me, that maybe get one or two, but I'm not get none.
And then you tell me, so you not do like my sister?
No, I'm not do like your sister, mama. Your sister do foolishness. I'm not do them the foolishness thing.
But you not get no subject. You say me always talk to you, no me talk to you all alone, but you don't listen. You don't listen.
What do you mean by girl? Sometimes I have to just do something and say sorry.
Say sorry. So what sorry bring you now? What sorry bring you now?
No, yeah, man. So get through.
Get through with one.
In our life, I so have one little job, girl. So then I go home.
Me soon gone.
Oh,
Me soon gone. Me just sit down here so I take a little breeze and I say that the picnic ain't even listen to nobody. So at this point, it better me just making God and go do what I do.
true. I can't tap people from there. They want to.
And you know what I say part too? She all on me. And I'm me a fear till I write. And you see them there something there? Big girl, bigger than me, where you expect say a little one for a leader straight, I bigger wanna do it. And they say children do what they learn, you know. But me glad me not do what me learn from she, you know, cause if me did do what me run from she, me then I run my body red. Red. And me can't, me not like it. Not like it at all.
So, girl, I'm not for smoke. You can buy me a cigarette or one
Yes, me a
special.
smoke.
So you can buy me something.
What me for buy you?
$100.
What for buy you?
One Mataran.
Me not buy Mataran. If you want something for heat, me can get you money and buy you if
Girl,
you
I'm
want
not
for heat.
hungry.
Well, me can't support you smoking or you drinking. And that's why you're there scratch so cause you can't even keep steady.
Nerves are go, man. Must have to
Yeah, to
calm
amount of
down.
things in your system it must go. Stop smoking. You say it make you scratch like you have
Girl, you
lice.
can't know me just want to live in it.
What?
Wow, look at that, me see
Me
you.
say, you good do?
Yeah, me alright. I see a glue one thing.
Yes, man, that's all I agree with me.
Yeah, really agree with a girl. So we are doing what I saw.
No, sit down, me just talk to my sister and my friend come here, so and I'm talk to her now, me see you.
Oh, I don't know what I do.
Oh,
Anyway, as I dump on the road, me did a walk go.
oh. Go on later.
Yeah, do
Go
your
on
thing,
next
girl.
time,
Me
yeah.
see you.
Yeah.
So she your friend?
Yes, I'm a good friend.
Girl, that ain't a friend. That ain't a friend. You tell me about me a catch because I'm fit up smoke, I'm fit up this, I'm fit up that. You have a tap keep them friend there. That ain't a good friend. See if I tell her A, she gonna say A B C D E F G. She not say A alone. She gonna twist it up, mama. Them not a good friend for have.
Well, as far as message, she never really called back my name, so anybody else name she call back, I just fear her business and them.
Mama, she not come back and name it. Just give her a little time.
Well, me will know if I call Shana then.
Yeah. So anyways, me I go down the road go look at Craving, you know. So you
That's
see you
all
now
you're good
later.
for.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Why on a young girl?
Marika,
Morgan.
wanna go and girl long time, I not see you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, yeah.
Me not really go nowhere. You me didn't want to see for the other day. You know what say you show up your money at the end and share the money good come in and get no share right now. I mean here say yeah, give out share and spend share. Someone know that go.
Mama,
Cause I'm supposed to share everything.
mama. It's one time. It's one time I get the money other day. Me never get no share. I want my ex-man them call me and give me a money. I know for your money. And the money where we go on that the mission. They say no, my mission for me.
No.
Why?
Me just have a sense say you go around it thing. I'm not like when people go around me. Me not understand. We didn't have business together. We supposed to share the money.
Girl, me your best friend for a long time. I can't do me this.
Girl, me know say me your best friend for a long time, you know. But me here want little birdie. Me here want little birdie I talk about how you like your share if me get finish share. Me I said no, me no get no share. And I'm me they tell you where all I mission them there. Cause all you do is just go do the work
No,
and all of that.
no. Me never get no share. I'm more do that to you. A fire you come from. Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah, but sure.
And God just push it down while I go cause you tell lie.
No. No put that in this.
Anyways, me not a new client I come up with, but I want a client now because me broke a little money we give me in a good and a little bit of money. A little
So,
bit of money.
me a friend. I can't do me that. You have to give me a rush too. Anything you want to do, me have to do it too, you know.
Yeah, man.
So,
When me get to a new client, me get a second chance.
Right.
Oh, yeah, wonder, say this a time here too.
Oh.
We not this I do the last time when we yeah. We not think if we do that again, cause
No, we
me
not.
not like for you go my bed and a fret. You can make me a fret.
None of that again. None of that
I mean, I
again.
want, me say, girl, me have one rich white man. See one rich, our,
Hold on.
hmm?
Hold on.
Who? Oi, come here, come here, come here, come here. You come here, come here, realize say enough. Come here. Come here. Me, we all look for this, so.
I want to keep me last, right? As I see me, I look at me see.
No kill the yes, so me have some customer here with the talk about. Come realize if any other day say
Me
look
not
for
hear
this.
nothing. Me not hear nothing.
What that? What
What?
that? What
Me
that?
not
What
hear
else?
nothing. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear. Me not hear who. Me not hear nothing. Nothing me not hear.
No matter about.
Wait a book.
Me not hear
What
What
this?
that?
Me not hear. That means I me don't hear nothing. One of that said, me must say me dumb.
You're dumb and
You dumb, you did just a chat. Oh, that makes sense. You dumb and you dey talk.
I never said the same about out of my grandmother.
Me not hear nothing.
She not really
I
have no
understood
sense.
the pan. On the film, mad.
Wait, you don't say no nonsense, Riri?
Me don't hear nothing. Me just have look for me key when me last.
All right, good.
No key in the yaso. Look down next to no key in the yaso.
Yeah, come me look at me see that so.
Ah, I'm on fire. Ta. Yeah.
Me not hear nothing.
No, you're not.
You see that little girl? Watch her again to back. So you get like a coffee in her ears. You say she go sing when I in the air.
Cinco. We are you not sing?
No, me not tell you so. You come on. What the fuck? Watch her. She just love chat. Me raise up on the other day, you know.
Murder, me say.
Oh God. And where you come from?
As what?
How she on bigger?
You come out of the argument, like, I'm not talk to you, my sister, me I talk to.
No,
Where
she
you come
coming on my
from?
mouth.
And that me should have days. Where you come from?
Where me come from? Hello, you look up at me, I'm a big woman. You don't ask me that. Me older than you. You come from like a bigger one than this. I'm did about my business. How that affect you? Where me you come from? Eh? All the thing you do as long now was well they are not do nothing. You come and come question me come and me make money in this. And me make money in my night time. And a daytime. So oh you are come ask me where me I come from.
From yesterday, guy, you come back to today? Then me must ask you where you come from. If I left me out this in the morning, you just a come back?
Me a big woman, that's for sure say I'm a big woman. Nobody don't ask me, me not. Yeah, my boss? Yeah, my boss?
Me couldn't be a boss.
Stop that shit with the little girl, make the girl move, no man.
Alright, get up, go on.
What do you? You're not chatting with
I'm
her.
lucky here. You must know. You must know, yeah.
If you make she start take things, if you make she start do.
What? Me so convinced her to do this. She not ready yet. She need look more time. Wait, man, wait. You can wait. Let me think first.
Think about what?
Brenda, what do you think from Brenda?
And let me talk about money right now. You talk about the busy boy paper, give me your money. Oh.
At that one.
$400. So much you have?
$100. $500 maybe.
So yeah, they sell done this up for $500.
Every make me come up. Alright, give me back your want.
No man, give me man. No man, give me. Yeah man. Thank you. Remember from the other day, so the money I get shorter and shorter day by day.
Boy, you're lucky, you know. You really have a good party. So you can lend me $200.
No.
One.
Me come go me yard now. Me no like what they go on.
So just come.
No man, me think you give me something heavy, something big, but no.
Give me $200 and I beg you. I'm agree. Murder, you know say a mad thing I go on, you know. Aye. Well, and them go call back. Come sister come to me, must have hungry. Aye. We don't want no. Sister, the plan for change.
You have to change, you know, you have to change. You have to step up and do better as a big sister.
Listen to my sister. You understand what you're saying? I'm going to take your advice this time and so if you listen to you and so forth. You understand?
But you can't just tell me say I have to take you have to do it.
Sister, you know hear what I say? I say me go hear, me hear what you say and I'm go listen to you. Don't worry about it, you listen to what you say.
Make sure you listen. If see your friend and no friend them they fi keep.
Alright, you're going to tell me to listen to you. But you can't tell me friend them what to keep. One step at a time. You want me to change my lifestyle? Me change my lifestyle, but you can't tell me it type of friend I'm to keep.
They can't change your lifestyle with that friend because of she a influence if you do things.
Yeah, me say me so call her back. Alright. Mm-hmm.
As she a influence if you do things, so you can't change your lifestyle with that friend.
Sister, as me said before, you listen to what you say, and you can't tell me friend them what to keep. But anyway,
You must know, you know. You must know. But me tell you say, anything reach you, you're going to take it by yourself.
oh
'Cause me
really?
know yes, anything you share, you alone are going to stand with it. Because me
Alright.
not got business. You probably shed little tears here, but that's it.
Alright, sister, later.
Gone.
Mm-hmm. Me done too. Can't tell me what to do.
Girl,
Bestie!
what one?
What?
They have a girl break you out.
And then the a chat about what you saying?
Come on, road.
You want it ready?
Yeah. Now go climb around the way. You know how me I wait for you out there super that me see you now because I'm come over here, you know.
No, talk to my sister did that talk to me this morning and I tell her so we change Johnson.
Me a 3 man one time, girl. I want bonus. Come on.
Alive.
3 man one time.
Mama, the one that eat turbo. I never know. Answer.
Oh God. Never again. Me not take up so much client again.
Mama,
I not take up so much one time.
me never know say so much.
What me not understand? You every day when you get up and run on the body red. Unu run the body, unu have house, unu not have no car, unu not have no money. Wanna get out and run on the body red? Come pastor girl. Listen to me.
No,
Listen to me.
Violence partner.
Listen to me. Every day you run your body red. You don't have no money, you're broke.
We
And then me over the start oh, me broke, no client, no this, I look for you.
Hello.
You make me hold on,
No,
make me hold
ma'am.
on. You
No.
can't do your hair, you can't do your nails, you can't do you can't. No, me think so, girl. Move faster. Let go from me now. You remember me to the last one? You remember me to the last? Watch out. Ears you go catch. Syphilis.
Girl, go on now, girl. Me.
All you, I be a thing the man must be in that girl mouth.
What?
Girl, let go from me because you that girl body dust, y'all me sinus act up.
Man, a bacteria come out for me, no, cause me no
Me
want
tell you
to
the next thing. Remember we do to the last one?
No. Kayla, you can't talk then sitting there on the road.
Hey.
Relax yourself, man.
That girl know who me be now. That
Relax.
girl know who me be now.
Take time and talk now. You can't make people know the things that we do. Make them take we as that the type of person where they having at their head. You can't just dip on the road and I say, remember we do that.
Shut up. Yeah, shut up your mouth. Shut up. Yeah, what make girl like this me, bow my body, girl like this boy your body, turn up, I play calm. Yeah, idiot.
Because me no want no violent.
Girl, you sell if you turn up for yourself this proudly. Me I said I'm proud that you can't bring me down. I lick my lick in her face. Come on, come get your girl. Come on. You don't understand how to do.
Hello. Yeah.
Come, we have a mission right now for go mission. Get up my phone, mission, money, mission. Hurry up,
Hold on them, yeah, come.
Go on.
I want my
Hold up, y'all. Oh, Lord. You move. Well, I will spit at it alone and get this teeth put it together.
And I tell you, please. So the same man I don't talk.
Look at your money. How much money I get?
I'm counting.
Me back down. Come rolling.
For this. Wait till I'm all and get up.
You think you know we don't come so far?
I'm not. When I send the pass.
Look how much he nearly catch we. You ever hear the bike something wrong with the ears?
Income right I get what we did there, you know. You don't realize that, Mama.
Mama, me realize everything.
I'm not telling a lie.
But look how much money you give me.
So one more day.
Thank you.
But girl, I'm not telling a lie. I'm kind of afraid, you know.
Me say, girl, I see the man yesterday at the bank account out on one bag of money. I mean, I did one other client, you know. Yes. Me decide say we have to rob him.
What?
Where you do your money now?
I don't know. I forgot to invest in a something. What you did for you?
Yeah, invest in some business. If I can take this a little bit and turn into something big, I have to put on my ears like the girl him. So, how they say? All this can say so.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Come on. We're going.
Yeah, good on. Riri. Hi. Me can sit down? So, a while ago me I come from up the road and I go collect some from somebody. And I see your sister, she account out US. Me don't know where they get so much US from. She and one next red one.
What you mean?
One next tuku
When my
one.
sister forget money from and she not work.
I must thief them thief, you know. But all the thing I see them I do, account out money. I do like them tired too.
Wait till when she come down here. She mean because me know say she not work and me don't know where she get money from to account out money. So when she come down here, me and her.
Yeah, you need to ask her. Anyway, that I can't tell her to me go back to me yard. No matter what tell her, say me say no. Me no know nothing. Alright.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm so glad. Well, go on, sister.
Where you come from?
As what?
Where you come from? Make you see up the road account out wally for money. Where you come from? Where we get money, wally for money for account out?
My word. Lady. No, which one are we bigger?
It no matter
No, which one are we bigger?
Where you get the money from?
No worry about where me get the money from. Me a big woman, me a no pitney. Me have to work for what me want.
Which work you do? What kind of work?
No worry about what kind of work me do.
Exactly.
That's not your business.
Exactly.
All the thing you do is sit in your yard. See the look. You want something for yam, and my money make you yam. You want something for whatever, do anything you want to do, and my money. See there go poor boy knows other day who give money. You pay your boy your ears 3 times, who give money?
You, but when
the blouse where you have on and the chain where you have on, who give the money?
You.
Exactly. So no question me. You hear? Alright. So girl, what your sister say about the situation?
She not going the most way. Every time I talk to her, she go on the most way. And I don't talk about oh she buy me this and she buy me that. Me not really stand up, you know, because the situation she do for me.
Yeah.
Me not really. Then
what so what the bigger one?
No, she the bigger one.
Well, girl, me don't know if it's the same because she go on like she big, but she don't big.
So she older than me, she go on for that.
Well,
the situation she feed me can't really stand up about me, you know, because if she top do what she do, me no hungry. She say I work, me don't know what kind of work.
Well, some money. When me see her with that. Anyways, where say I go an idea, girl?
Not a thing, we just play for still and I say. Grab your good and go cook. What you gonna do?
Mom, I prefer go and buy go drink some rum. I go out go get an ice cream.
Well, if you go buy ice cream, then probably me come with you.
I don't know two girl named Pekisha and Tekisha.
No, what happened?
I don't know say girl and go in and place and thief much $1,000 US dollars.
So where? Well, if them thief your money, you know just go back, go work again and get another and get some more money and uplift back yourself. Then I feel like better.
Miss, excuse me, what is your name?
Really?
Riri, you idiot. You know, in a sense, you know much 1,000,000,000 that in a Jamaican.
I me say, me no know who name so. So best thing go out. You have no manners. That boy don't have no manners, you know.
And if the girl and take away money, why am I come and ask you if I will take your money? You know who take your money?
He try go look for who take your money, because don't me take your money, come and start brightening himself
And
with
that's
me.
him figure do and they figure alone. Anyways, you see, that me a talk about me no yeah.
That's why I don't run trying to joke, you know. Nobody can call my name say me thief their money, because me no walk and thief man money.
Can I tell
And
you?
any man me a day with them happy and them happy give me money, because me now go just see their money put on and take you up.
Me neither. So if anybody thief him money, you better go look for them.
But Peckisha and Peckisha.
Who name so?
Try go look for them. Girl, come on.
You need see them when them are there, even not there with them.
No see girl them.
Well, come here, we'll go buy you ice cream.
Girl, what's going on?
No call like me over here with your mama. About half an hour, I call you.
Girl, no, me no girl.
What you do?
Me a business woman now. For me get that piece of food there.
So,
Me a
where you
business
start
woman.
doing the money?
Me start invest, mama.
You know what, mama?
Big business.
Yeah.
Look at me. Me a big time business woman now. Me start doing a little think job there now. I left a 5 street cause.
You do big business, right?
You see
What?
what happened? Top go road.
Me? I can't tell when last I go there, mama, after what happened. Me not even know if him and I search through his head.
He can't look for me if he can't find me.
Me not
A wrong name, me tell him. He
After
can't
me not tell him
find
my
me.
right name neither. Wait. So we tell him say your name, mama?
Peckisha.
Rotted. Me tell him say my name Peckisha.
You know why me name Peckisha?
Why?
Cause I go fi take the man them
Which
money.
is right.
Money.
But,
So,
mama, how much money me dey give again?
that's what I say.
So what kind of business you say you start?
Mama, me start one salon. Whole heap of things, girl. Me can't tell her my business.
Wait. What you mean you can't tell me your business? Look how long me up on the road, mama.
Alright, girl, nothing.
Years. I know you make one look for $4,000. You want come go on like you want this
Me
me.
have one Suzuki a come. Me know them cheap there. One second hand one.
Me not understand you know. Can you get $4,000, you know?
Yeah.
So how the hell you buy Suzuki with
Remember, say me
$4,000?
tell you, say. You say me put the money here, so. It is small, but say me make it come big. Me invest in something.
So you invest in her?
This Suzuki.
Suzuki.
Yeah.
You know what I feel like something fishy about you.
Fishy about me. You smell
Like-
under me.
No, me not talk about your vagina.
See, I talk about
No,
fishy
about your
then.
vagina. But me feel like something fishy about your mom.
Not fishy about me.
Why me feel like you not share money right?
Girl, you did it. When me don't have time for the share money, mama, and I what we did it run. When me go have time.
But remember, so me always there about mama. And you take people like
It's not
money.
my
you know.
fault you're too big where you can't run. Is that my fault?
I decide this me.
Me not dissing, I'm just talking the facts.
Mama, I conversation done yesterday, you know, come get your yard.
No, mama, me relax a little bit. So what you do with your money? Me don't talk about mine. Talk about yours.
No,
what you
me
do
not
with
better
yours.
tell them you do with mine.
Sis,
What go on?
talk to you in the house a little bit.
Huh?
More talk to you in
Who?
the house a little bit. You.
Anything you have to tell me right there so in front of me and my friend. It told me. Listen, me no want go in that house. Anything you have to say it yes or no. In front of me. I want to you. Take a foot. Well, me not even know what to call you. Take a drum foot.
Not ginger fly that.
Or ginger fly, whatever you want name. Me not talk to you. Yeah.
Well, when they out there, so sit down. You see, and one bike man just ride up sudden self away. And I can ask you 2 girls. One named Peckisha and one named Tekisha.
So now look so.
What you mean? Oh, we are
Now the
look
wrongs.
suspicious.
So. Yeah, but the man money time I look for no.
We don't like this.
Hello, wait. No, that have to ask him. What my name? Marika. How are your name?
Kayla, I mean what?
Don't. Yeah. So you want to ask you about Peckisha and tell me not even know your name them. What they want mother do that thing? Them sound like them a twin. No?
And you can't talk about if I we. You don't like a thief to you?
I make you come and say, Mama.
See, I come to you first.
So now look on one of the
Mama go on in the house and excuse for you so. Wait. Just when I go in there, don't make them all go sit down on my bed, you know. Because when she got people yard, she ever catch her ass on people bed. Because I don't know if I wash under this from morning.
Me know if I wash under this account, if I walk on a tell nobody.
What go on?
Mama.
Hey man, me tell you, somebody never want to do this with you, you know. Me tell you, somebody never want to do this, and you put me in a problem.
Put in a problem?
You make him a look for me. You see, make him you him a look for. No, you name Tekisha. Boy, you come to take. My name Marika. Conga your yard. Go on.
Mama, if you start talk, it's supposed to go book up on me, man.
Me no business with you. Go on. Me go start bleach.
You know what I go do? You think more bleach? That not
No, go runway.
We can't run that man to go far. When they doing that, so look how far we go take him, man.
No, we have to left from your son.
Mama, we go get rid of the man.
We go.
We knock him out and tie him up and stab him. We fi get rid of the man.
What all us they don't so no, we can't time up down there, you know. But we gonna get back to him, man. We go screeching pan him one of the evening or morning.
And they will sneak up on him and knock him out. Cause then our area. How could him
So he can't lose his memory.
And we can hire somebody. And when in the panic bag, we can make somebody kick you over with him.
You got to find.
Yes.
Right this one, girl. Right this one.
We're not afraid.
We're not afraid.
Yeah,
Come on.
yeah.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, this car look like on the mini pro box. Yeah. Hello. Come here now. Mom.
Wait there, now you other day talk right there so done this up on the bag. And I diss me. And you come and call me now?
Well, I meet up and boy, can I do so? That's somebody else, man. What me this say?
You did had about how me not even quite remember what you said, but
That mean it don't matter then. Don't worry about that, man. So I did.
No, me just walk with them on the road. So walk along. You find the girl they met?
I don't find them. But how far down the road they walk go?
Right down at this shop, me go buy something.
Oh, I'm going to carry out in a beast too. But show you walk, I don't know really nothing. Can't walk with something. So I did.
No, I'm not there.
No, I'm sitting to drink.
You buy me something to drink?
Of course. Or you can carry back something for me to drink.
$100?
Girl, I say I buy you something to drink. I never say I buy you something to eat too.
Alright, me wait with you.
So what's your name?
My name Riri. See money on a job.
You know auntie man.
Actually.
I realize. Riri. So how old are you?
Me? Old enough.
Old enough. Old enough so I can get your number.
Yeah, me can give you.
That me I talk boy. Alright, Riri. Yeah, we see you then.
Alright.
Bye
You can
bye.
call me too.
Boy, more than oranges.
Boy, me boring like one.
What, my girl?
What, there?
Long time I not see you. I'm not come on the road again. Start stay home now.
Good
So,
best thing you ever do.
Yeah, your sister good at now, or she still a go with her foolishness?
You know, she never change. When you talk to her, she says she change.
So you plan to do, girlie?
Me not do nothing but that thing, sir.
No, with the sister me a talk.
What me for do
You
with
go
him?
continue make she rule you?
Remember, she older than me, no? So what me for do?
His name no sound good on the streets, though. But
Me only want no
anyways,
mind, no dep on the street.
you can buy more craving here.
Me tell you, so me not buy no cigarette, you know. But me I go buy you one
Yeah,
still.
give me money. Why they see I hide for your money?
Yeah. No, you see, me no want you no come back with me chin, so me we go buy you. So me soon come back.
Hurry up,
Yeah,
man.
come.
No, sir, me stay for your way.
Well, me soon come back then.
Alright, hurry up.
Yeah.
Wow. Look, you come get from the birthday party to your school.
Get where I come from.
Girl, you know top of hope line up that's where I come from. Like a birthday party, me go. Where you a go?
You know, see a shop me I go do something me I go buy.
Here. Anyways, me have something to tell a girl, you don't know what to say. The man, you remember the man with that pass from the back and ask who named Tekisha? See me out the road a while ago, girl. I look me. I'ma give me number.
Girl, an opportunity for you. And him say him have whole US over there. Go get some of the US instead of make you get them teeth from him.
Well, maybe get some of the US and I go give girl I can carry out you.
Yeah.
A girl we go get Rick's coffee.
Yeah, girl.
So girl don't waste step, I'm gonna shop US to me and you. So which part you say I go over so?
Yeah, up I shop up there. So
Alright, may I go so get thing.
Alright, later.
Well, allow me there, wait for you.
Yeah, top smoke. Me tell you to top smoke.
So you buy it and then you crush it out.
For sure, you have to top smoke, you have to top it.
So after you buy with your money, you crush it out?
Yeah.
So all that makes sense.
It don't make sense, but either way, top smoke.
So
Come go up.
So I'm on the road, you never
Come go down. You don't need to
run
know
me
what
me
I'm going. Yes, come go down.
When last see a dirty friend? The one who named Riri.
What does that have to do with you?
He call me, tell you no. She go put her in a hole. You see when you go in a hole and then see him cook there, you go call for help you.
Me not call you, no. Me not call you, because you can't even help yourself. You know what? Go on here.
Hello.
Hello?
Where pretty ladies going to?
Navi.
Come on. What that?
What happened?
Girl, if you're so familiar.
What?
We just tap them for accident.
Navi, what?
Me as the girl if you're so familiar, we can't pick up from it. Like me I tap them and ask them. You remember the girl when me I tell us a thief for money?
Yeah.
Pet and text it none of that.
But then the girl their name so?
What their name?
One of them named Marika and one named Kayla.
No man, I them there girl, me sure about it. I them the girl that thief for money.
Many are hallucinate because them the girl that don't name Pet or Pet, they name one name Marika and one name Kayla.
Riri. No, idiot. I them the girl, me don't know if I that.
Okay, me not really business because me know what the girl them name and you know what you know.
You
So
know,
let's
you know
that
where they
alone.
live. Like how you know where they live. You know where they live.
Yeah, me know which part they live.
Sorry, we come from my bike, then you know, I've got to tell much. Come on, man. See the girl, my girl, that take more much doubt.
I don't them.
What
You
the-
don't know the girl them. The girl that don't name Petrish or whatever you want to call the word. One name Kayla, one name Marika.
Yes,
So let's fall for that no. Me sure.
so how do you?
No, you alright. Where they going on?
I pass, but let me tell you, it kind of get flat. Somebody ask the girl if they know which part in your style shop there.
Yes, one day up the road.
And if I run in there and go up there for show me away. Come here.
No, I know that they must show you.
How them a show me?
You just pull up on the girl them so. The girl them no must run.
No, I style, man. But I saw we just pull up regular, you know.
Anyways, come on.
Come on, man. Follow me go to the shop and tap balance.
So funny, what?
Watch out. Then how me I go so far?
Is that right?
So them are in a galan
right.
so far.
That's right. Them come like for a mission, man.
Hello, ma'am. How happen?
You do?
But you gonna run bolt to go in the house and lock all the door?
No, you listen to me right now. Let's see if nobody come here and ask you. And when you leave here, tell them say you won.
You're there.
Yeah. What is handicap here?
You're there.
Tell them say you won live here. No mention say you have a sister. You hear? Assign to them names.
Come in.
Hi. You. Come. Pack it up. Come go your yard.
Huh?
Come go your yard. Cause nobody now come hard and pull me with the two of you. You must know who do. And anybody come in me, I tell them say there cause they not catch me for you.
Listen to me.
You want me put you out?
Well, me we got along, but we not catch
Then
me
go
for you.
on.
Go on your yard.
Tonight is
Go on your yard.
Later, yeah, girl.
Go on your yard.
So where no run from? Shh.
You must know no up to your ear.
Listen to me. Pack the bag and go find somewhere rent. Because this house, I see this house, soon and soon somebody going to come tear it down town. That not right, here? That door right.
So make you a crash and a galant.
No man, the one when me born today did hot. The one that is healthy.
You sure say I send you your bun?
Yeah, tell you the truth, say.
Yeah, you need to go check out yourself.
We need to check out what your sister do. You see them a run.
Me
come
soon find
and
out
go
what
tell
she
you
a
say,
do.
and you want live your body while them a put you in a me gun before nobody come kill me.
Me gone to you now, cause me want not turn out here.
Don't care. So what now?
I'm just there. I don't go for a look relationship ago.
Yes. Good. So, you alright? You
What?
don't look alright.
Tell you the truth, me alright now, but the money what me missing it a stress me. And every day me nice when I look for them girl there. Every day car. I swear me nah make the money that go down your drain so.
Well, what you may have to tell us is that you have to just. So, we are going to do?
I'm planning in my head man. I talk look for them.
You want to look for them?
Yeah.
So, okay, that sounds better.
I top look for them. You pay one man for look for them.
Eh?
You pay one man for look for them.
So, we are going to get money for pay a man to look for them.
Me have another bike. So I just all sell it and pay the man. And that man they have to find them.
That do not make no sense.
What do you mean that make no sense?
A time where I got pay one man, if you look for two idiot girl, if you just get back one little bit of money, better you just take your money and go find some constructive though. Better you go take your money and go start one business.
Business can't come after. Me have to get my revenge.
No, sir.
My life, right? That's something you have to get my revenge. I'm all about my money. Every single dollar.
Well, if they're not able to find them, what you go do?
Don't worry about that. But the man find them, then we chat about everything.
Why? That be not one moments. You have to just low it. Because you don't gone bad already. What if them use the money, done the money? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'm stuck in my ways, man. Me now will not made to choke money. Believe me, I have to get back money.
Well, I don't know if I convince you otherwise. If you find a girl, I'm just so.
Actually, you not even know the amount of things me have planned for that Monday. And you come and talk.
But I can't go make other money. You rather put yourself in a danger. What if why am I even know what to
no
say?
danger. Me is the danger. You
Yeah.
need to be aware of that. You should know what before they take my money.
Jesus Christ.
But Jesus alone can help them.
Not even like Jesus can't ever come. Jesus could have even Jesus would have helped a long time.
And you help them, make them get it. If you help them, no, then carry back. Let me find them before.
Well,
I
I hope I don't find those girls, cause boy, I don't know where you go to them if I find them.
Myself, no. Me, myself, no.
Why? Here.
We're still in time. After I fuck. So one my time, I know, no, babes.
Alright.
I look at appointment.
Okay then, later.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Maybe call you.
Okay.
Girl, what happened?
I'm there.
Oh God, they just sitting at us so.
Because I'm in the house hot, I just feel tormented. I just feel like take a breathe.
No, I feel like I want to take a walk then.
Why at this point better me come in and see what I have right now.
Come man, come over walk with foot them man.
Right.
Come. Oh, you, Marika's sister, come here. Me say I'm to come over here, but I show me some difficulties on the road. So, where Marika dey? Come here, call her phone, I'm not getting her. So, I like if you could tell her, say me I call her.
Friend, the day when I see you already, because bulls come in our house, so I'm run you got your yard. I don't see her back. Are you, me shouldn't have asked where she there?
Me don't know where Marika dey. Home for where Marika dey. No, yeah, Marika live in our house.
No, you America there on the road every day. No, you America there everywhere.
So you know how long since Marika missing? You know, report it. What happened? What happened to Marika?
Miss her, me don't know what she there. Me fear ask you what she there. From the day you and her both coming in the house, no one not talk. What kind of thing you know here?
We don't know
Me
nothing.
tell her say no anything she get she go and take because me say
We that
me
train.
search for her with no real
We that train for Olympics.
only that train for Olympics.
So Olympics take her away.
It looks so.
Me don't know. I don't know.
So
Well-
you're never friend, you don't know who take her.
I'm for know who take Marika. Me left Marika over in yard.
Well, since I'm in a train for Olympics, she look like she gone with you. So you need to go.
So Marika there.
Which way you say you know that train for?
Sure. We just start
You and her
exercise.
is the same thing. So you supposed to know what she there.
Why we do the same thing?
No, you and her.
Me and her.
What you ask me? Me would have asked you the same thing.
Hello. If you say that, move from face, so me tap in your head.
Stepping out for head.
Me know Marika there.
Me, you go on here.
You know Marika's
Find her,
sister.
'cause anyhow, she not come back in by this evening. Remember me tell you say you me I go down the station go tell them. say
You can't go to the station for me.
You me I tell them say you know there. Come on here.
That's a crackhead there.
I say, you see that little girl? He lying. You see, any see your sister by 12 o'clock tonight, you call the police.
I know.
Call the police because me will carry the police
She
them up
know
our
when
yard.
me.
You see, that little girl there now. You see, when she and America running, both them are trained for Olympics. Oh, she not get through.
It look like America get you one guy.
Then there's some bad dealings, man.
She-
Father, can me wonder if I take with the man, take with Marika already. Jesus Christ, and gone with Marika. Oh, poor Marika. What wrong with you?
Eh?
What's happened there?
Listen to me now. From yesterday, you see me and my friend I walk and you go call me cokehead. Me don't know cokehead, you know. I true me want my friend to say me they try change, but me never attack you about it, you know. So me they attack you now. Do something about it now.
What you just do? And what you really just do?
It's like you know
Hold
see
on.
what me just do.
This is one iPhone 11. You know, flat my much. What you just do?
You know see?
Mad girl, man. You should run. Some idiot girl, you know, man. Hey. See what's my head chip right on me. I can't find Marika. Oh, no, don't put me in man in here, you know, man. Oh, bomba.
Morning. You know say, me I come down, I come check you. And me see a little dirty sister friend, a little black one. After me they walk peacefully, you know, a little girl bunks me, you know. I mean I eat and smoke now from man, he bunks healthy, you know. And listen to me, you know. More you see her and one her, you know, cause me say you bunks, so she bunks me, I lick me back.
Then you drop?
Me lick all me back. It's like you don't understand. Right now me pain up. You don't need for one. One come here mad smart, you know. And me no smoke nothing for a week, you know. So you need for what tell her says, but when she come over, you can look for your liar sister. Or whenever she dep on the road, you see her, you tell her, say me say, "Feel leave me alone, cause me a mad girl." Anyways, Eli one not come back yet. He still dep on the run.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what
But
she there.
you don't even know if I run the pan or then take you away. But
That's the next thing too.
me just come over here to tell us if you want that little black girl then. Cause the next day she see me and bunks me in a pinky. Me I tell her the truth, you know, me they take up some stone and fling, you know.
Then you should tell them about feeling after my business with you.
It's like you don't understand it bunks when me get put me back.
You should have get up with stone.
No, by the time me get up, a girl run. You know, say me I come get me hard. Cause imagine me come over here, come tell us a girl bounce me nearly all my back lick up. Instead of get about a chair and fling me a piece of old phone and come help me find the girl. You sit down. You sit down and go tell me say me never fling back stone.
Too?
Mama, you're bigger than me, you thicker than me, you eat no food. Me not eat no food.
So I cannot eat no food.
See right now, I go about my business. I can't bother with you. You see you're not a good friend. Answer to them, they drop you.
When me see her again, me beat her for you, yeah? Remember me wore one beating.
Girl,
What happened?
me there, so me I go and check you. What happened?
Me there?
What I got on?
Sit down here. Wonder where my sister she there.
What you mean? What's a chain a good mama? Come on, me job.
Me see. From what day, me see she and the other one, Kayla, she bolt coming, right?
Yeah.
From that, me no see her back. After that, the day, me no see her back.
Girl.
And me see Kayla, she hot there so. And she go ask me when me, my sister there. And she and her have the pan road.
Yeah.
Right?
Boy, girl, me tell you about a bad company there. You see that bad company there? When you Kayla, a bad company that. Your sister have to know better, so you report the situation.
Me afraid for gas station, you know. Me afraid for gas station. Me tired for one her about Kayla.
Why?
For one her. Me know, so she know what she doing, you know.
So
I
where
know,
you
she
think
know
do
what
her?
she
Where you
do.
think do her? I feel like I want to come and she go and check her or something.
Me no know if a man she gonna take, man she gonna check, man take her away. Me no know.
Why?
Me no know.
You rough.
Cause the amount of things that they hear a road, you don't even know what to believe.
I don't lie. Girl, Kayla is a bad company. I'm been a talk to you and tell us if you tell your sister to come out of the company there. Can you see this and this me did a talk about, you know, this what happened now. Your sister can't find.
And maybe not talk to her. Me talk to her day in, day
And
out,
speaking
and she
of that,
still.
you know, say the little man when me a talk to girl. The man stop until he find it two girl, let me know. The one on named Patricia and the next one.
Takisha and Takisha.
Eh.
Well,
Oi! America day. So
me feel ask you America there.
America day, cause something really a go on the road that the man in America day. Me come to call her at the house now.
Mama, you don't see America no day ya.
Eh?
Where America there?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yes.
Who else you feel talk to?
Mama.
You come and ask America. America from the day you take America out of yard and you and bowl come back here, you find him? Olympics not call yet. What day you see girl, you know, girl I got tell me about how them that sign up for Olympics. So you like Olympics take America and not take she.
So you make Olympics,
Mama.
America and take you.
We just let her run. And she run come over here. The next day,
I know that you tell me. You tell me say one of the join Olympics.
Yeah, idiot.
Me sorry Trish
We
there,
last
come me and Trish they go there, you see? She
me
dey tell me
dirty
about them
girl
a join Olympics. Oi, and you see when me see my
Nice.
friend on the road, you more you leave me
That
friend.
crooked one day, come push me. She lucky say me never have the good energy that in the morning, yeah. That does her.
Then one of them I
I
tell
told me
lie.
that concern.
Girl, at this
America.
point, you're concerned to go and look for the girl.
You want one flashlight?
Say that one, yeah.
You want one flashlight cause night
Mr.
out come and you not catch
Informer,
me
I know
sister.
everybody business. America day.
Mama,
Everywhere we there, you always there. So America there now.
Mama, I don't know. Me America apart and me America they run all over the place and me America they tour down the whole place.
So people can go.
And me America go take man.
Look the girl.
Go on man, go on, go your yard,
Yeah.
go your yard.
But
Can you
it's
come up
a
here,
lie.
come and
And
ask America and I do America the pan road at
they
the
take man
time.
and they tour down the place.
Sit down.
Go and go
Okay,
look
sit
for
down.
the
Use
people
that
them.
mother. You know my
Who
sister,
that
you
boy
know
done
nobody
the
to me.
You.
Maria said this morning, the world not hot for me, but the world not
You take a little time and
Go
go
on
look for the
there.
people them.
Oh. You
Sit
better
down.
be see a tire spot she dey all the time because too me tired. I said me not hard
You
with them.
ever
You ever
tired? Go on,
tired?
really
Oh, your
go.
body run hot, you ever tired?
In just a
Go
run
down.
your body red. What you have in a life? Nothing for your foot or dirty foot girl like you. You all want a new hairstyle.
Continue. Continue, make me take this and knock you over. Continue, no? Continue.
Relax
Yes,
yourself.
Continue.
And mind you broke your hand, cause remember say,
Mama.
when you broke your hand,
Take this
hungry
and lick off your
dead,
face, you know.
you're dead
Take
be
this in your
hungry.
face, you know.
Liquor, cause you're a bad girl. You come over me yard, come talk about this and that and whatever. Come out of me yard.
You know what?
And go find my sister that you figure do you come and ask every day for my sister.
Me not
Go
have
find him.
Too
Every
tired.
day you run your
Go your
body
yard,
red.
man.
Beat out a little body, young girl like you before you go find one look work. Tell me now. Bad company should be bad influence.
And every day she come and ask me if America and I share in
Me
America
dey
around
tell you, you know.
down.
But anyways, me I tell me little time walk on go for my yard. Cause me no want
You better
them
wait a little bit before you go.
Me not afraid of her neither.
You're not afraid? Alright, go on.
Girl, later. Take care of yourself. If I know
Yeah.
you call me.
Go along.
That dirty girl so out. Alright, watch me now.
sacrifice. Come in now, laughing on girl, but me a whore on it, please. Move. Move. Hey, little dirty girl. All the thing good for in just a whore on your place, in just a running body red. Hey? Hey, girl! Hey, girl! Who you call dirty girl? You see you? Who you call orange girl? Who are on the place? You just relax yourself. You chill around, you think you're big bad and who you call whore? Just relax. Who you call whore? Relax. Girl! I'll try her one more time. Because it's not safe at all. Marika, thank God say your answer, girl. How are you there? Which part that? I don't know them. That's not how I name. Girl, so why you pick up yourself and run gone? No, sir. One hand, I may get for find out, say, the money. What me even stash off a little bit for myself. I never that alone did it. Okay, so all along you that tap me on my back. Marika, me tell you true, Marika. I go and do something where you go and feel it and I'm not going to regret it. You mean boy if nothing done that important? Remember, say you have your sister done here and I will look for the man and tell the man, say, how your sister thief the money, you know. I will look for him. You mean, but me not do that. That's why I'm not afraid to do that, Marika. You know where yourself. You remember, you can hang up phone on me ears. Answer. I'm go find a man there now. Yawa.
Girl.
Don't run.
Girl.
Don't run.
Me have to run, come. Me see someone like you, me have to run.
Come here.
Last time.
Come, me not beat you again. Come. Good evening.
Where you say?
Me see a thumb. Yeah, there do a man. Yeah, you know him?
Yes, I'm a man.
You're a man.
Yeah, my man.
You're a man that?
Yeah, my man that. So
So like I am man. You know part thing they come here say I give a work and thing. I'm not like to get a job.
oh yeah, me know which part in them. Me I got team right now, so I can't carry out. You come? Alright, come on now. Go on for.
You're not afraid of me. Me not bite you.
No, me not sure about that. Last time. You know what you do to me. Come on. Yes. So girl, I want to talk to you.
Yes. If you come here at your time, please don't talk about something important.
Baby, give me a minute, please.
Sir, me hear that street say two girls thief some money from you.
So, what you mean in the streets? I found something me I walk and tell people. How you hear that?
Because me in the street, so me hear it. You see what I say? But the truth is that you can't tell. You can't tell nobody, you know.
Tell nobody
Not
what.
me, your woman. When me I go tell you, you can't call but my name and say me tell you.
Lady, me don't even know your name.
Don't worry about that. What me I say is that
But your face look kind of familiar still. May I talk before?
no, this a face here. No, see this a face I know we at all. And that we are talking about your money.
You're sure?
Yeah, man, me sure more I get to the point and that will combo. We no combo my face. You understand? Because me I want to move better right now. What me I say is that I know two girl rob you, you know.
More than two, girl.
No. A one. It's just that two girl did it at the wrong place at the wrong time.
So I'm at the run.
You make them run.
Yeah.
You see one man already done pound one bike, you not go run.
Would I ask him when I ride me down for?
No, me especially me with a run. But what me I say is that
So you hear some media ride them down on bike? You did it?
no, me never did it. Like you deaf, you know. Me I say in the streets, me hear it, things that talk. And me then I the streets, so me I go hear. But as me I say, me I tell you, I want brown lady.
What kind of brown lady that?
She brown.
I said that already.
Yeah, cause she brown.
She brown or what?
And then call her Pinky. She named Pinky.
So how you know say a brown pinky take my money?
Because it's Pinky in the streets, I mean hear it.
You have to give me some more information on that. 1 million pinky were brown in the world.
Alright, I tell you what she mean. You know she part the rent house over Judith yard?
The big tenement yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
She live on the board part, on the back.
Yeah.
So just go over there and you just call Pinky. And no matter what she tell you say, don't believe what she say.
So you sure say everything I tell me right?
Yeah, you're right.
Hold on, I'm tell her this now. See if when I go around there to brown pinky will live around a tenement yard, Miss Judy tenement yard.
Yeah.
You better make sure say right information you give me. You hear me I tell her say? You understand?
Yeah.
So that alone you forward for tell me.
Yeah man, that alone me go now.
Hold on.
What?
You know, so me only 100 grand for me though, so I can't really get that.
No man.
That money.
That good.
See you again.
No man, you don't have to give me nothing at all. All me ask you to do, don't tell nobody say me tell you.
I never see you, I never have no contact.
Good, alright.
Hey, I wanna talk about that.
Yeah, I thought what can really escape from
Me don't. What's your name again? Was it Kayla?
That's why she comes from. Frank comes
Up the road, over the lane. I don't remember how she come from. You know, even do like she. So, how kind of work? Yeah. I'm a friend, sister friend, some friend business. So,
I'm get your name of that person.
so, nothing.
No, see, I move right now. And I look at things to do with on the road. So that.
Alright, I go there, go over me and go and chill out. So if I not you just call me.
Let's look on an idea.
How that? Oh? Oh, forward me, General. Where's the go on now?
Remember the situation I'm there to tell her about. I get some information on how we do it. But I'm not told somebody. I want somebody. That means the price has to cut in half. So here I go.
Yo. No price can cut. A broad daylight. You should have given me more.
So here I go. One girl.
True, me know you know. Talk. I'm gonna do it fast.
One girl named Pinky. Here say she's a very nice brown. Run one program and find out exactly.
Just tell me location, skin color, and name. That's it.
Alright, my G. So, Pinky. You live over me to the tenement yard right down the road. You know which one you're talking. Yeah, she brown. She live at a back house. That's why I inquire about Pinky. You know, so she get everything. And I hold it for money me and pay.
Yo. So me do you work. No, me have to call her for my money. You see, once me call her, just know say a page I get page. And you don't want a page out of the book here. You hear?
Stay up, man.
Do it right.
What's happening now, girlie?
So with the hope that I'm sit down under the tree and you see a money, you say push you.
Yes.
I see how you push her.
Girl, I'm telling you, there's a girl there. That pushy girl push me, girl.
Anyway, she come and she dey up there. Girl take up her banana tree, feel it really in her face. Me have to run her out her yard. And she dey come and ask for my America day again.
Girl, me want use the bathroom. Me can't use the bathroom. I want ruin it.
Man, no piece of toilet seat.
Mama, me not do that. Girl, girl, Pinky.
You reach the end of the movie, yeah, me know. End sad. No, but good than young. What may I tell you? Comment if you don't want to see part 2. Let me see if I can learn part 2. Comment if you don't want to, but it's a very sad, it's a very sad moment. A moment of silence to Pinky, she passed away in the movie. Alright, you subscribe now and put the bell to all. Big yourself.